afternoon to everyone. It's a memorable day for both architect Nahum Marco and Mary Rose, for this is the time that they would formally declare their love with each other before God, who authored this union, and it is in Him who made this celebration possible. We welcome God's presence in this wonderful occasion, and we are grateful to all for sharing with them this moment of two become one. Two hearts, one love. Two promises, one covenant. Two lives made in Christ. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Architect Nahum Marco and Mary Rose wedding ceremony. May I have the honor to present to you the bridal entourage. To light the path, we have the candle sponsor, Engineer Aaron Paul Wabel and Miss Liana Maika Lorena. To carry the symbol of wisdom, we have the Bible bearer, Matthew Malyari. The officiating minister, Reverend William C. Caboral. The best man, Mr. Christopher Lorena. The groom's parents, Engineer Manuel Lorena and Mrs. Erlinda Lorena. And now presenting the handsome groom, Architect Nahum Marco C. Lorena. To guide their way, we have the groomsmen and the bridesmaid, Mr. A.J. Malyari and Miss Ayena Jem Malyari. Mr. Jerome Sian Alagao and Miss Sofia May Lorena. Mr. Jonathan Montiagodo and Miss Sarah Catherine Lorena. Mr. Clarence Malyari and Miss Camille Malyari. Engineer Carl Lawrence Garcia and Marie Kayla Basa. Mr. Gerald Dasco and Miss Mary Rose Palacol. To stand as principal witnesses in the exchange of vows, we have the principal sponsors, Mrs. Cecilia Bello, Mr. Anacleto Lorena and Mrs. Feliciana Lorena. Mr. Juan Jonathan Gacusan and Mrs. Angelita Gacusan. Mr. Roy Lorena and Mrs. Marilyn Lorena. Romeo Macaranas and Mrs. Luz Macaranas. Mr. Carlos Lorena and Mrs. Lourdes Lorena. Mr. Alan Niones and Mrs. Ligaya Niones. Mr. Wilson C. and Mrs. Anna C. Mr. Joseph Garcia and Mrs. Olive Garcia. Mr. Juancho Malyari and Mrs. Corazon Malyari. Mr. Sunny Malyari and Mrs. Menalia Malyari. Mr. Gilbert Malyari and Mrs. Marites Malyari. Mr. Roy Malyari and Mrs. Mary Ann Malyari. Mr. Paul Keller and Mrs. Kathy Keller. To clothe them as one, we have the very sponsors, Mr. Josue Macaranas and Ms. Kate Luis Garcia. To bind them together, we have the cord sponsors, Mr. John Lee Gakusan and Ms. Chris Maricel Bello. To carry the symbol of treasure, we have the coin bearer, Joaquin Malyari. To carry the symbol of love, we have the ring bearers, Zin Guzman Espiritu. To shower the aisle with flowers, we have the flower girls, Mia Anika Bakani and Cirila Aurora C. Our maid of honor, Miss Clarice Malyari. Again with our maid of honor, Miss Clarice Malyari. The bride's brother and mother, Mr. Mark Raven Malyari and Mrs. Mercy Malyari. Our little bride and groom, Cheska Malyari and Traven Lee Ravana. as we welcome our beautiful bride. Miss Mary Rose Pascual Malyari.
Sino po ang nagbibigay pahintulot upang si Mary Rose ay maikasal kay Nahum Marco Lorena?
I do.
Marco, pwede mo nang lapitan si Mary Rose. Huwag ka may ang hihingin mo, si Mary Rose ang hingin mo. At magbe-bless ka muna sa iyong magiging biyanan. Magpaalam ka muna, Marco. Ma, pwede ko po bang pakasalan si Mary Rose? Pakibigyan po ng microphone si Marco para marinig po namin yung pagpapaalam niya. Pakibigyan po ng mic. Marco, ulitin mo, hindi namin narinig. Wala kang microphone, bro. Ayan. Hingi ka muna ng
Ma,
pahintulot.
pwede ko bang pakasalan si Mary Rose?
Oo naman.
Marco, mag-bless ka muna, bless. Ayan. Sa kapatid niya, kamayan mo yung kapatid niya. Ayon. Ayan. Pwede mo na ngayon ihatid si Mary Rose sa altar. Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon sa buhay ni Mary Rose at ni Marco.
May I request everyone to please rise. Let us all welcome Ayala Rosfer Bacani, the Lord of Lords, Daniel Elaika Lorena, Jesus, Kirsten Chloe Malyari.